The science and mystery of light, the only thing that can travel without time. Light is the one phenomenon that seemingly bypasses time itself. When photons move at the speed of light, time ceases to exist from their perspective. That means light carries not only information, but eternal presence. This hints at why ancient mystics equated light with divinity. Every photon is a messenger from the timeless, arriving into form from the void. When we bathe in sunlight or tune into frequency-based therapies, we're engaging with something that exists beyond time, carrying seeds of intelligence from the infinite now. Light is not just radiant, it is immortal. Dual nature of light, particle, wave, and consciousness. Light is both a wave and a particle, observed. But what's often missed is why this matters. The observer literally alters light's behavior. This is the crux of quantum physics and consciousness. When you look at light, it changes for you. It means reality isn't just being perceived, it's being co-authored. Light, in this sense, is not just illumination, it is responsive potential. Waits for your intention, reacts to your awareness, and collapses into form based on your focus. What if your thoughts are patterns of internal light, shaping your world in real time? The hidden information in light. Light is more than brightness, it's encoded intelligence. Every ray of sunlight, every color frequency, even bioluminescence in your cells contains patterns like a quantum hard drive. Researchers have discovered that light can store terabytes of data in the smallest particles using photon entanglement. What does this mean for you? You are constantly exchanging invisible data through the light you absorb, emit, and direct. Imagine being able to read light not just with your eyes, but with your aura. This is the forgotten literacy of the future. Light is the universal language. All living organisms communicate through light. Trees use biophotons to signal one another.
Wow.
Your brain sends light-based signals via microtubules and neurons. Even DNA emits light pulses to talk to surrounding cells. Before words, before thought, there is light. In other words, light is the original internet. And when you learn to interact with it, whether through intention, visualization, or tools like lasers and photonic sound, you plug into a communication system older than language itself. Master light, and you master presence, coherence, and silent influence. The soul's relationship to light, every near-death experience, every mystical vision, every spiritual awakening has something in common: a journey into light. But it's not just metaphor. Studies in biophysics reveal that the human body emits a constant low-level glow-your-soul light. Your health, thoughts, and emotional states directly affect this light. When you meditate or feel deep love, your field brightens. When you're in despair, it dims. Your soul is not just carried by light, it is light. Every conscious act is a way to tend your internal sun, the colors of creation. Frequency as architecture. Color is frequency made visible, each one a unique vibration with architectural impact. Blue calms, red energizes, green restores. These aren't random associations. In nature, colors organize behavior. In ancient temples, color was used to shift consciousness. Your cells literally breathe color frequencies. What if you designed your life like a sacred spectrum, curating the light you absorb to shape mood, thoughts, even destiny? Through conscious color exposure, you're not just seeing reality, you're composing it. Light is the missing element in technology and healing. We've mastered matter, explored molecules, and hacked electricity, but we've barely scratched the surface of light. From cold lasers that regenerate tissue, to photonic neural implants that could reverse paralysis, to scalar light that bypasses space-time altogether, light tech is the future. But here's the kicker: your consciousness is the interface. Light tech isn't just physical, it responds to awareness. Healing and energy are no longer about force, but frequency. The missing element is not hardware, it's the integration of spirit with light. You are made of light. Your body isn't just powered by food or air, it is powered by photons. Every cell in your body emits a weak but measurable light known as biophotons. This isn't fringe science, this is measurable, repeatable, and deeply profound. The brighter and more coherent your biophoton emission, the healthier and more aligned you are. Ancient mystics said, the body is a temple of light. Science confirms. You are a being of light, having a biological experience. DNA. Your light-based antenna. DNA isn't just a chemical. It's a fiber optic system. Its spiral structure acts like a coiled antenna, receiving and transmitting photons. This light exchange is how your cells talk and synchronize. This also explains how emotions, thoughts, and environments instantly impact your physiology. They alter the light code. The future of healing 1T just be pills it. LLB light programming your DNA to express higher intelligence. You are programmable by light and intention. The pineal gland. Your inner light sensor and projector. The pineal gland isn't just some dusty, vestigial third eye. It's a light-activated spiritual antenna. Contains photoreceptor cells similar to those in your actual eyes. And it's sensitive to both physical light and subtle light like DMT visions. It's cosmic frequencies and dream realms. It's the gateway between your inner world and the quantum field. When activated, it doesn't just receive visions, it projects them into your consciousness. Your inner cinema, your guidance, your downloads. They're all filtered through this mysterious photonic portal. Light is the language of cellular intelligence. Think your cells talk through chemicals and hormones alone. Think again. Modern biofield science shows that cells use pulses of light to communicate instantly and intelligently across vast networks in your body. These aren't random flashes, they're encoded pulses like Morse code from your higher intelligence. When light is disrupted by EMF toxins, emotional trauma communication breaks down and disease arises. When light is harmonized through meditation, structured water, sun exposure, or frequency healing, your entire cellular network realigns into coherence. Healing becomes a return to inner luminosity. The biofield. Your luminous blueprint before your body forms. Your biofield forms first. It's an electromagnetic lattice made of light, magnetism, and intention. Every organ, thought, belief, and emotion leaves an imprint in this field. So you can feel it when someone lights up a room or when a space feels heavy. When you walk into a place and instantly sense something, you're reading their light. Technologies like GDV cameras and Kirlian photography have captured this glow. But here's the key. Your biofield is modifiable. Breathwork, light therapy, loving attention, and even intention can restructure it instantly. Light deficiency is a modern epidemic. We obsess over food and supplements, but ignore light, the one nutrient our ancestors received in abundance. Natural sunlight triggers hormonal cycles, mitochondrial function, serotonin production, and even DNA repair. But most of us live indoors, bathed in artificial blue light and starved of the full-spectrum nourishment of the sun. This isn't just a vitamin D issue, it's a life force crisis. The body and soul begin to dim in the absence of natural light. Your vitality is directly proportional to your light exposure, not just physically but spiritually. Your aura. The light you radiate to the world, the aura isn't fantasides, your photonic signature. Measurable by sensitive equipment and visible to those with trained inner sight. Emotions alter your light field in real time. Joy makes it golden. Love expands it. Fear contracts it. When you walk into a room, your aura enters first. It introduces you before you speak. This is why some people attract synchronicity, opportunity, or peace. They've cultivated an energetic presence rich in coherent light. The more aligned your thoughts and emotions, the more magnetic and luminous your field becomes. You don't just walk through life, you radiate through it.